Do you want to finally understand what does it mean to sing on the breath? Today I'll explain it to you in the simplest way possible, so clear that even a child can get it. Hello guys, it's Andre.mik, and on this channel I help singers to unlock their natural voice without tension and confusion. In this video today we're gonna talk about breathing, the foundation of singing. Today you will not only understand what does it mean, but you will also feel it with your own body with the help of two simple exercises. Exercise number 1. Let pass the breath. When we talk about singing on the breath, we actually mean two things. First, you need to allow your breath to pass through your vocal cords. That means that the sound of your voice should be produced only by the air, not by the tension in the throat or in other muscles. Let me show you this with a very simple example in speech. Now I don't pass the breath. Now I don't pass the breath. Now I don't pass the breath. Now I do pass the breath. Now I do pass the breath. Now I do pass the breath. I hope you hear the difference. And here's a great exercise which will help you to pass the breath. Take any vocal warm-up, take any vowel which you like, and put the h sound before it. It could be ha, he, hi, ho, hu. For example, ho, 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 ha, 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 and etc. You can do it, guys, with any warm-ups, or you can do it with the songs you sing. Check the video about warm-ups, it's here, or you can also find the link in the description. Exercise number 2, breath support. As I told you guys, when I say sing on the breath, I mean two things. First is let pass the breath, and the second is support the breath. Your breath needs to go outside your lungs under pressure. Now guys, there are two ways you can support the breath. The first is using your throat or your vocal cords, which is not good. That makes singing heavy, tiring, and also it could be dangerous for your voice. And the second way, the better one, is to use your lower abdominal muscles to gently push upward your diaphragm. That way the air flows steadily from your lungs and your voice stays free. Here's an exercise which will help you to feel it. Place your hand in front of your mouth and blow the air against it. You'll notice a small effort in your lower belly. The muscles gently pull in as you exhale. And that's the feeling of breath support. When you sing, you don't want to force it or to hold your stomach tight all the time. Instead, you need to find the right balance. The higher or louder you go, the more support you'll need from the lower belly. But when you don't sing in the pauses, you need to relax your stomach. Otherwise, you will get tired and tense. Also pay attention to your solar plexus area. If it feels hard or tight, stop and release it. You should never sing with a locked or tense solar plexus. One more important thing. Breath and technique are tools, but they can't replace your musicality. Always think about the phrase, the emotion, the story you want to tell with your singing. If you want, guys, you can check a video where I speak more about musicality and phrasing. You can also find the link in the description. If you like the video and it was helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe so you don't miss your chance to sing better. I'm Andre.mik, thank you for watching, see you in the next videos. Bye.